Is this thing on? Totally forget how to use a camera at this point. Hi. Welcome back. Hi. It's been a while. I start every video like that these days. Hi, my name is Alexis and welcome back to my channel. To all the new pandas and all the old pandas, the cubs and all, welcome back to my face. This is Alexis. I'm a trans woman from Ireland and I've been documenting my roller coaster of a journey through a transition for about 4 years. I don't know, I've lost count, to be honest. If you were to honestly ask me how long I'm on estrogen at this point, I would literally have to lie to your face because I don't know. Let me take a second to think. January...
3 years and 5 months?
Is the best guess. Yeah. I want to check in on you, see how you're getting on. I miss your faces. It's been so long. You know, we should do that total adult thing. It's like,
oh my god, we need to hang out. We need to hang out. Let me just put it in my calendar.
never happens. Never happens. But we all do it. I don't know why, but we all do it. And it's like,
I know. Yeah, we're terrible. No, this time we'll plan something. This time I swear we will.
2 years later. I don't have to transition. I'm not bothering putting it in. 3 years, 6 months is the best guess. Hi. This is what it looks like. So honestly, if I was to add on to what I was saying in my last video, I was the shell of a person before this transition, and yeah, I didn't have any confidence, and I wouldn't ever believed that I would ever get to this point. It's so hard, like, trying to connect to that old person anymore. It's been so long, and it's so easy to forget how difficult it was. I do remember, like, just being so uneasy because I didn't know when it was going to start, or like if they could find like a medical issue. That was such a fear of mine before I started this journey. Just to like get to the start line and then be like, no, I'm sorry, but you can't race, you're not healthy enough. It's like, no, I need this. This has to happen. Like, if it doesn't, I have no purpose. This is my purpose. I have to. I've waited so many years to do this. You don't even understand the things I have to do. I had done in the past. How much feelings I protected by just being someone that I wasn't. And now it's my time. And you're telling me no? No. That was such a fear of mine. And it's still slightly a fear. When it comes to surgeries. It's like, no. This is meant to happen. I have been putting up with your loopholes and your gatekeeping and your waiting lists are literally killing us. And I just have this fear that it's not going to happen. But I did get approval, 1, for surgery. I got my 2nd approval for surgery. Still waiting on that to come in the post. That's making me nervous. But it went very well. And the professional, the psychologist that I saw, which took years to see, was very nice. He was very polite and very professional. I've heard of some disaster cases where they make you feel so horrible about yourself and they get so personal and there's just no need for it. My person was very professional, was very kind, and was, when he wanted to know some things that might be a bit sensitive, he found a way of phrasing it very well. And he didn't push it. And he didn't stay on the topic too long. He made me naturally just speak from the heart. And it came out very well because he says he has no issues referring me for any surgery in the future. So that's my 2nd. So now I have to go back to square one, get back in the line and be like,
oh, this is going to be a few years. Oh, okay. Like, I didn't expect that.
Like, this is why I was so eager at the start, because I always knew that it was going to be like a long waiting list. So I was like, get myself in that list as soon as possible so that I don't cry myself to sleep having to wait for this friggin' confirmation surgery, this corrective surgery. So I'm on that waiting list anyways now, and now I just have to wait. And obviously there's other obstacles going on in the world, and there's a lot more issues and things that have to be resolved now. So it's going to kind of delay the waiting list, but I can finally, knowing me, I won't be reassured because I'm an overthinker, but I should be reassured now that I finally have the first opinion and second opinion, and now I'm on the waiting list, possibly. If not, I'm gonna go private and I'm gonna be poor for the rest of my life, and I should be spending my 20s saving for a mortgage, but I'm not. I'm saving to get to the start line that cis people already had the privilege to have. So, what can you do? What can you do? This is the card, the shuffle of cards, or the dealt of cards, or the spade. I don't know what the saying is. Basically a pack of cards. This is the cards that I've been settled. I didn't even say that right. Settled, handed, given. Pandas, you have been watching me crazily talk for about 5 to 10 minutes at this point. You're absolutely amazing. And I'm not going to go into that big rant like, oh my god, you're amazing and all that. You're great. And I don't need to say it anymore. I guess in a good place in my life. Obviously things are going on in the outer world is kind of a bit scary, but I have been getting used to it a bit more as time went on. At the start I was very nervous, but now I'm good. And I hope you're all good as well. The award, remember the awards I was talking about? I was nominated for a Gala Award because of this channel, and in 2017 I was nominated for this award called Online Influencer Award, which I did not win, but I got to the final 4 and I went to the award ceremony, which was hosted in Dublin. Well, plot twist. In 2020, in February, Alexis's Trans-ition, this channel, thanks to all you amazing pandas, yes, this channel was nominated for LGBTQI plus Digital Changemaker 2020, and who do you think won? That was myself. That was us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning into this amazing, just amazing journey over the last few years. This was overwhelming. There were so many people in attendance. I think maybe, don't get me wrong, 600, and I was a holy mess during the speech because I didn't expect it, because I was up against like actual amazing organisations and people that have done amazing things, and then there's me in my bedroom documenting this mess. So it was a shock, is an understatement. It was a shock, but I am so bloody amazed and thankful to all the amazing pandas that have joined over the last few years and have made this what it is, an amazing experience, and I've met so many amazing people.
Did I just break this? No, I didn't. Put it down, Alexis.
This is my face, and you have been watching this mess. Thank you for that, and I hope you have a wonderful day. All the love. Have a good day. Bye.